and let's get it in on the bottom, and now it's all on my phone right here. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, cases, tech accessories, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is the Speck Presidio Perfect Clear case with MagSafe for none other than my iPhone 12 Pro Max right here. So without further ado, let's get to getting this guy out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it's got a clear little area right here to actually see the case. It says Presidio Perfect Clear, it says Speck, and it says compatible with MagSafe right here, which we also can visibly tell by seeing these magnets built into it right here. Now, if we come over here to the back, we can see it is compatible with MagSafe. Once again, it's got a lifetime warranty, 13-foot drop protection, and it's antimicrobial product protection as well. And yeah, it's also got this clear guarantee right here that says innovative clear material is tested by third-party labs and is guaranteed to prevent any yellowing for the lifetime of your phone. That is pretty awesome because there's nothing worse than buying a clear case and having it turn brown or yellow over time. So yeah, anyway, let's just open up this box, and oop, right here it says iPhone 12 Pro Max. Forgot to mention that. And yeah, very simple, easy unboxing experience. We can just grab the case right here and then put the box to the side. And now here is the case. So let's take a quick look at it. Right here, we've got the MagSafe magnetic area. We've got a big cutout for the iPhone 12 Pro Max's camera array on the back. We've got the side button right here. In that side button, this is weird. There's some strange writing in there. I'm not even sure what that means. Over here, we've got volume buttons, also with some strange writing in there as well. We've got a mute switch cutout right here. It says Speck right here. And we've got some speaker grill cutouts right here. We've got a lightning port cutout right here. And yeah, this is the case. So anyway, let's just get it on my iPhone. So Speck Presidio Clear with MagSafe, iPhone 12 Pro Max, and let's just put it right in. Here we go. And let's get it in on the bottom. And now it's all on my phone right here. So first impressions, let's see. It definitely feels slim on the phone. Feels like it does add quite a bit of a length around the sides though, so that's something to note. But in terms of depth, the phone still feels thin, so that's pretty nice right there. And it's also a lightweight case as well. But what I'm really wondering is to test out that MagSafe. So here is my Apple MagSafe battery pack, and let's just slap it on. And oh yeah, I heard it click into place. Now my phone is charging, and look at this. It is magnetically holding onto the phone just like it's supposed to. And now I'm making a big deal of this, even though it is kind of obvious that it's compatible with MagSafe because you can see those magnets, because I actually just unboxed another Speck case. This one right here. So this is the Speck Presidio 2 grip, and on the box it's kind of misleading because it says MagSafe fast charge compatible right there, if you guys can pick that up right there. And it's misleading because this case actually, I believe, doesn't even have magnets in it, because interestingly enough, the smart battery pack does not stick to it right here, the MagSafe battery pack. So yeah, it is good that this case actually does have magnets built into it for MagSafe right here. And now another thing to note about this Speck Clear MagSafe case is its price point is about $50. So it's actually in pretty direct competition with Apple's own Clear MagSafe case right here, which also costs about $50. Now this is the case that I always use on my iPhone when I have it at home. So I've been using this quite all the time. And what I'm noticing, some of the major differences between these two cases, although their prices are the same, is first of all, on the Apple case right here, it's got a cutout on the whole bottom of the phone, which, as you can now see, since I put it onto my iPhone, is going to leave the whole bottom exposed, whereas on the Speck, if I put that on, the Speck actually has individual cutouts for the speaker grills and the lightning port, so I'm assuming the Speck would give more protection down there since more of the phone is covered. And then also the other major difference I'm noticing is the Speck right here has much thicker sides around the phone than Apple's own one, because yeah, putting them side by side, it is pretty obvious. And I mean, yeah, with that, there is not really much more to say about the Speck Presidio Perfect Clear MagSafe case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max right right here. If you want it for yourself, once again, it'll set you back about $50. And definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Do you have it for yourself? Let me know. I do read all the comments, by the way, because I just love hearing from you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.